Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the exciting features of the Nothing Phone 2A Plus. Let's get started. First off, let's talk about the design. The Nothing Phone 2A Plus boasts a sleek minimalist look with a glass front and a plastic frame and back. It's available in two colors, black and gray. The display is a 6.7-inch AMOLED screen with a resolution of 1080 by 2412 pixels. It supports a 120 Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling and a peak brightness of 1300 nits, making it perfect for outdoor use. Under the hood, the Nothing Phone 2A Plus is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7350 Pro 5G processor. It's paired with up to 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, ensuring fast and smooth performance. The camera setup is impressive, featuring a triple 50-megapixel camera system. You get a wide, ultra-wide, and front camera, all capable of capturing stunning photos and 4K videos. The phone is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery, which can last up to 2 days on a single charge. Plus, it supports 50-watt fast charging, giving you a day's worth of power in just 20 minutes. Other standout features include the glyph interface, with LED light strips on the back for notifications and camera fill light, and an IP54 rating for splash and dust resistance. So what do you think of the Nothing Phone 2A Plus? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching.